What's going on, guys? It's your friendly neighborhood Nico here today. And what I'm going to be sharing you in this video is a question that I actually got a couple times over the past few weeks. And I just figured that I would create a quick video about it. So it's actually a really simple question. But a lot of people who haven't used ManyChat and who haven't used bots, I can totally understand why there is some confusion. Okay, so let me explain what I mean. So if many of you guys have purchased either my Messenger Bots course or some of the Messenger Bot templates, right? And so the course includes templates, but you can also just purchase some templates standalone, right? So what happens when you do that is you're actually just going to get a link. So you literally, it's like a one-click bot link, and it imports into your ManyChat account simply from clicking the link. But here's the kicker. So sometimes people who haven't set up their ManyChat account right away, it'll prompt them instead to set up the ManyChat account because obviously you can't import a flow into your account if the account doesn't exist, right? So sometimes that'll happen, and then people will have to go through all the steps to set up their ManyChat, and then they're like, okay, cool, ManyChat is now set up, but where did the flow go, right? Like, what happened? Where'd it go? So I'm going to show you guys really quickly where you can access any template that you may have purchased. You may have imported it either from me, either from the course, or maybe from someone else or somewhere else, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly where to do that. This is gonna be a really simple video. And yeah, so really all it is, you just go into your ManyChat here, and what you're gonna do is you just scroll down here to flows. There's gonna be a little green folder. And so you click on that, and you're gonna see here, once you actually go back and click on the link to import your flow, there's going to be a new folder created, and it should say imported from Nico Moreno, okay? So it may say something a little bit different, like flows for Messenger Bots for Entrepreneurs course. I may have labeled it that way, but most likely what it's going to say for you inside your ManyChat account, if you've purchased one of my flows or if you've purchased the course and you upload the flows that are inside the course, it should just create a brand new folder right here, and it should say imported from Nico Moreno, okay? So here they are. So for example, let's say we want to look at that one. We just click on it, and then you can see the whole thing, right? Okay, so where did it go? So these are not actual, oh, I guess it is an actual flow. Oh, weird, okay, I mean, so I don't even know. Weird. I don't think that this is not one that I sell, and it's not like I honestly don't know exactly where this one came from. That was just an example though. So for example, if you were to purchase any flow from me, which by the way, I'll leave links in the descriptions to those. It's a great way to go if you don't necessarily want to get the full course, but also all of my flows and everything are included in the course as well, which I will also leave a link down in the description for you guys. But yeah, that's literally how it works. That's just the one thing that is a little bit confusing, right? So sometimes people are like, well, where do they go? Where do I find all my flows? Is it going to be like in any of these? It's always going to go in your flows section, and it will automatically create for you a new folder. Either it should be called imported from Nico Moreno, or it may just end up in like imports or something like that. Okay, so this is where it's going to go. And they'll always be like all listed down here. This part can just get really ugly. As you can see, it'll list every flow ever. And it's just gonna be like super long and ugly. But you can actually click in here and you can go ahead and you can see any flow that you've ever created in here, which is pretty cool, right? So that's it, guys. Again, this was a super short video, just based off a question that I've been getting a lot lately, which is, Nico, I've purchased your flow or your Messenger Bot template, but where do I find it once it imports into my account? So this is the answer. You just go down here to flows. You're all good. It's going to show right here in one of these new folders for you. All right, so thanks so much, guys. Hope you liked this short informational video. Again, if you do want to purchase some of the flows, they're going to be down there in the description, and also I'll leave a link to the full Messenger Bots course if you want to check that out. So actually tomorrow, I've got a really cool video for you guys planned out. I'm really excited about it. So many of you guys who are up with the ManyChat updates and everything like that, you have probably noticed that ManyChat came out with a mobile app today. Okay, so they just released it today. And so I just got access to it. I've been playing around with it and I set up the app, kind of like went through a little bit of the user experience. And so tomorrow I'm going to create a video walking through and like kind of do a review of my thoughts of the ManyChat mobile app. All right. So if you guys want to check that out, be sure and hit the bell. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I'll walk you through exactly how to use and set up the ManyChat mobile app, as well as my thoughts on it, because there are a lot of pros. I do like it, but there's a couple things that I think could be better, and hopefully ManyChat will address those while they update the app and make future versions. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. It's been Nico Moreno, and I will see you guys next time.